the tire conditions. The nice place. I will always recommend you to visit once. Just have a look. Awesome place, guys. Awesome place. Beautiful. All my friends are ready right now. Awesome. This is Akash on Interceptor. Help me. Hello guys, we are exploring River Rupnarayan on my right. Let's see what happened. Let's see. Here we are going towards there.
step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me were meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
So guys, we have reached
You and me
at the bank of river Rupnarayan. You just
meant to
have the look.
be in the great
Every bikers
outdoors,
came here for the environment.
forever free.
Really a nice place. I must say, please visit this place once if you love bikes, if you love a good place to ride. It's a very muddy place. First of all, I kept my bike far away because the tire condition is very bad right now. Just look the tire conditions of the bikes. Just have a look. This is the tire conditions. The nice place. I will always recommend you to visit once. Just have a look. Awesome place, guys. Awesome place. Beautiful. I'm saying they're having some food. Really nice place. It's the river bank. Nice place. It's really a nice Fury 650 Diaries. I came today morning to explore the bank of Rupnarayan. I came here. Really awesome place. I will suggest this place to every friends, those who are watching my video. Please come. I'm exploring the bank of river Rupnarayan. You guys come here. Really a awesome place. Have a look. Both the places. Awesome trees. These are not a tents. These are something netted like things covered the end of the stem of the tree. I don't know why, but the place is awesome. Have the view. So stay tuned from Fury 650 Diaries. Bye bye. Stay well, stay safe, ride safe, and just have the look once. It's really awesome. Okay, bye. Stay tuned. Please subscribe my channel Fury 650 Diaries. Guys, come and explore. Stay tuned. Till today, goodbye.